Hey, my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall. Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment. Hey, yo, Skilla.
No, what can I say? This is the door, man. Yeah, go ahead.
As always, you know, say I soon show you the rest of this clip. And as always, you know, say you can't just show a clip without some form of understanding to what really take place. You see what I said to you? Now, you know that the Transport Authority always have something to do with illegal taxi services. Them don't want them dip on the road. Them don't want no illegal taxi around the road. You see me? So this place where I look on is actually Bagwalk. You know that road, right? Bagwalk. The road will lead to Linstead and Yuatan. You see me? I said to you, the transport authorities, that you know, not the police, transport authority is there doing them routine spot check to see who for license good and so forth. You see me? This taxi man, them stop him and run through him paper, something go wrong, right? However, the officer must have said something to him, but them a take one vehicle at the same time, you know, as scanning to the sources and the reports. You see me? This man got so angry, and one thing led to another with him and the police talking, and next thing you see them up on the ground. You see me? I said to you, they're on the ground. But what me I try to point out is that who is it that this man I tell for bite back who? You see me? I said to you, can't the police him I tell for bite back the man? You see? Anyways, I want all of my viewers to look keenly with the little context of me show you where it take place and so forth and what really happened, to tell me what you think about the whole situation. You see me I say? But before me leave the video with you again, as always, me have to ask you, if you want to stay up to date, you have to click the subscribe button. Let me know what you think. It's a normal procedure. You see me I say to you? And as always, you don't know who me be already, Dancehall Skilla. And this way you see, a Dancehall Skilla ENT. I will leave you now. Until the next time, take a look and observe this video.
Yo, fight him back! Yo! Yo, fight him back!
No, what can I say? This is the door, man. Yeah, go ahead.
Fight him back! Yeah, man, fight him back! Man, fight him back!
Like, seriously now?